Hello my dear students and welcome to our tutorial series in Adobe Illustrator. So for today's lesson, we will be talking about colors in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so if we draw a shape in Adobe Illustrator, we can change its fill and its stroke. Okay, so the fill is the color inside and the stroke is the color of the line or the border of a shape. Okay, and in this part of our toolbar, we have here the fill color and the stroke color. So let's take a look kung anong gamit ng mga yan pag pinag-uusapan ng kulay. So if you want to change the color of the shape, the color inside, you can either, there are different ways. So pwedeng i-double click mo to sa color picker and select a color. Pwede rin na gamitin mo ang swatches. So just select the shape. Okay, make sure na yung fill yung nasa ibabaw and select a color. Pwede mo din gamitin ang yung control na toolbar mo sa baba ng menu bar and select a color doon sa may fill. Okay, so that's how you change the fill color. If you want to change naman the stroke color, so kapalan lang natin para makita natin. So naka-black siya ngayon. Then you need to click this. Double click. Okay, to find another color using the color picker. You can also change the stroke here sa ating swatches. So make sure lang na nasa ibabaw yung stroke. Okay, and change the color. Or you can use yung ating control and dito sa may tabi ng fill, you can change the color. Yan. So that's how you change the color of a shape in Illustrator. If you have color palette available, kunwari may mga color na kayong dinownload, and by the way, I just want to share kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-download ng mga color palette. So, pwede sa colorhunt.co, pwede din sa colors.co, at marami pang iba. Pero ako, I will just introduce these two kasi ito yung ginagamit ko and I just want to share it with you. Yan. So, ito yung sa colors.co. So, you can click explore here at lalabas yung mga palette natin. Yan. We also have color palettes in colorhunt.co and you can even filter them based on category. For example, gagawa ka ng pang kids. So, you can select kids here and lalabas yung mga palette ng kids. If you want to use this palettes in your composition, in your graphic design composition, for example, ito, you can click it, okay, and download by clicking image. Okay, and then mada-download siya, so ilagay natin siya dyan, and let's save. And if you want to use that, pwede kang pumunta sa downloads, kung saan mo sinave yun, and click and drag that palette dito sa Illustrator. Yan. So if you want to use the palette, for example, dito sa shape na to, you can use the eyedropper tool and click on that color. So, ang pinapalitan niya actually is the fill color. So, if you want to use this color, for example, as stroke color at hindi fill color, pwede mong i-switch yung fill color sa stroke color by clicking this. So, clicking this will switch the color of the stroke and the fill. So, for example, nilagyan natin siya ng stroke na black and you want to use the black as fill and the pink as stroke, then pwede mong i-shift. Yan. So, pwede silang magpalit. Okay, so, yun yung gamit nito. Ang gamit naman nitong tatlong ito, so ang nasa ibabaw, for example, ay stroke at clinic mo itong none, it will remove the stroke. So, fill na lang ang meron. Yan. And pag clinic mo naman ito at nasa ibabaw yung stroke, you are adding a stroke na gradient. But I will not recommend using that. At ito naman, kung nakanan ka and you want to return the color of the stroke, pwede mong i-click ang color. So, you can change the color of stroke. Ganun din ang fill. Kung ayaw mo na wala siyang fill, pwede mong i-click itong none. So, just make sure na nasa ibabaw si fill and click none. So, wala na siyang fill. Pag walang fill, you cannot click and move. You need to click the stroke. Okay? Kung gusto mong ibalik yung fill, you just click this color. Or gusto mo ko, for example, make sure na nakaselect and select this. Kung gusto mo, for example, ng gradient, pwede mo ding i-click ang gradient and select a color here. Okay? So, that's how you use this color picker na nandito. So, ganun din yung gamit ng mga colors dyan at yung gamit ng colors dito sa swatches. So, just make sure that when you use color, when you want to change the color of the stroke or of the fill, you need to click kung ano yung gusto mong palitan, stroke ba or fill. Okay? So, yun yung gamit nito.